Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll down to I believe it's Battery and Device Care. Yep, right over here. You will find Storage. You want to click on it and then swipe to the side. As you can see, we have two pages. And you will find your SD card. Here, tap on it, three dots, and select Format. This will give you a quick message. Everything on the SD card will be erased, so if you want to proceed, press on Format. If you would like to, create a backup of some of the things that are on your SD card, do so before you format it, otherwise you will lose it permanently. And once you have done so, you can then continue by formatting it. Now the format itself takes only a couple of seconds. It should be right about done. And there we go, SD card formatted successfully, so we're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.